Assalamualaikum everyone. Greeting of peace to all of you brothers and sisters. So it's quite hot and yeah, I just plan to go with friends and we're going now to Budaybia. So right now we're walking here and take note guys, it's really hot guys. So we just plan to, why not walk? Yeah, actually guys, my colleague want to buy his cranberry juice, and yes, that's why we have decided to walk until Budaybia, because if we wait for a transport, then it's gonna be a very long time for us. Yes. So guys, we just reached the Oasis Mall. And yes, there's a masjid there. You can see the masjid. So yes, we're very close to Ramada Hotel, which is in Adlia. Actually, our house is just opposite of Adlia. This is actually a new youth care. We reached here in Gulf Hotel, guys. We are like a crazy, we're like a Mickey Mouse rat, which is like keep passing to this highway. Oh my god, it's fun. We have reached the King Palace now, guys. We are in front of Ramada Hotel. Yeah, so we just keep moving until we reach the Budaybia. We're very close to Budaybia actually. Say hello guys, so we just reached to the Budaybia, and yes, we are heading now to we're heading now to the place where we want to go. They are very shy type people.
We are going to Golden Deluxe restaurant.
Golden
hello.
Hello,
Gold
hello.
Deluxe, sorry. For hello. Right? For hello, no?
Yes.
Dessert. Sweet.
What else?
Nothing.
Nothing else.
Nothing else.
Yeah, we have nothing to
Continue your vlog.
There is one which is last. My god, it's too hot. Too hot. Hello guys, so we just reached Budaybia right now, and as you can see, yes, it's really hot. It's really hot. Wallah, miskin these animals, you know, they don't have water. Goldilocks. Now we're going to Goldilocks to have a hello. This is Hustler in Halo. Eat na. So guys, so here in Goldilocks, this is what we can find. There's the stops. This is one also. Pandi ube. Alright, they have some items here in the town. We're gonna take the pandi ube. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Here we go guys, we just finished having our dinner in Goldilocks. Yeah. Full? Busog na, busog? Busog? Overloaded?
Overload. No problem.
Oh my god, no problem.
No problem.
Good.
No problem.
Yan guys, marami din ditong RTW guys. There's a lot of like a second-hand items here which you can buy for a small amount. Yes. Actually, oh my god, I will get a copy right here. Oh my god, we keep running for the bus, but unfortunately, it's 44, not 41. Still here. I bought some bread, and Uncle bought some cranberry juice for me.
2,000 years later.
Hello guys, so we just reached our accommodation from long time walking, and this is what we got. This one, some Filipino pastries, and this cranberry juice. You bought 5, huh? Yeah, and yes, that's it guys. I hope you like watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Noor channel, and press the notification bell down below so you get notified whenever I am uploading a new video guys. So till next time, Maasalamat.